back-to-back bank loan scams have the government rather worried, and top officials at the North Block have pressed the panic button, who are now seeking a possible thorough probe by the Chief Vigilance Commissioner itself. In fact, the Modi government is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that the rot doesn't spread any wider. While the state-run banks have been told to step up internal vigilance, the government also wants the RBI to tighten norms on corporate governance at state-owned lenders. The government's panic reaction comes against the backdrop of the arrest of Syndicate Bank CMD in the bribe for loan scam and the CBI probe into the IDBI banking issue over its exposure to the troubled carrier Kingfisher Airlines. While the intention may be noble, experts say that random probes by agencies like the CBI and the CVC will only paralyze the banking system, making lending even tougher. So what is the way forward? And that's our big story on Business Tonight.
The CBI probe into the kickback for loan scams has opened a Pandora's box, which is now giving sleepless nights to the top policymakers in New Delhi. Rattled with the premier investigative agency probing the books of Syndicate Bank and IDBI Bank, Finance Ministry is moving fast to control the situation. Top sources have told ET Now that government is using a multi-pronged strategy to deal with the growing concerns. Finance Ministry has directed all banks to step up internal vigilance. The government is also likely to approach Central Vigilance Commission to report discrepancies and is in talks with RBI to notify stricter norms for governance at state-owned lenders. But this is not for the first time governance issues have cropped up in PSU banks. In 2011, LIC Housing Finance's former boss R.R. Nair was arrested on graft charges. In November 2013, the CBI registered a case against SBI's deputy MD Shamal Acharya. Moreover, the CBI has registered 27 inquiries and cases with regard to bad loans given to various corporates. This includes loans given to Kingfisher Airlines, Bhushan Steel and Prakash Industries, to name just a few. One can't ignore charges of graft that have come to fore, but experts insist a probe by agencies like CBI and CVC will only paralyze the banking system, making lending even tougher, which a crippled Indian economy can hardly afford. PSU banks get flack for what could sometimes be forced, or shall we say government-directed lending. They also have appointments that are politically motivated and also get pulled up for genuine cases of a business going bust. A scrutiny that their private counterparts easily escape. Ruchi Bhatia, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.